In a serene village nestled by the river, there lived a rope maker named Dhanan. His skill in crafting ropes was unmatched, and people from near and far sought his work. His ropes were strong, enduring, and reliable. But Dhanan's fame was not just for his craftsmanship. He was a man of wisdom, and his quiet teachings often left a lasting impression on those who listened. Among the villagers was a young man named Arjun, burdened by his restless mind. Arjun felt trapped by life. The world seemed to close in on him no matter how hard he tried to find peace. One day, he approached Dhanan, hoping for guidance. He had heard of the rope maker's wisdom and hoped to find answers to his troubles. Dhanan, observing the heaviness in Arjun's eyes and the unease in his heart, silently picked up a long, sturdy rope from his workshop. Without saying a word, he gestured for Arjun to follow him. They walked together to the riverside, where a tall tree stood with its roots deeply embedded in the earth. The gentle sound of the flowing water added a sense of calm, but Arjun's thoughts remained restless. At the tree, Dhanan began wrapping the rope around the sturdy trunk. His movements were deliberate and precise, as though he was weaving a story with the rope itself. With skilled hands, he tied a knot. At first glance, it looked simple, almost ordinary. But as Arjun looked closer, he noticed something peculiar. The knot was layered with loops that twisted and intertwined, making it more complex than it appeared. It wasn't a single knot, it was a series of smaller tangles woven together to form a larger, intricate whole. Dhanan stepped back, observing his work for a moment before turning to Arjun. The knot seemed alive, a quiet metaphor waiting to be unraveled. Without a word, he nodded at Arjun, inviting him to take a closer look. The knot was not just a challenge, it was a lesson waiting to unfold. He then stepped aside, leaving Arjun to untie the knot. Arjun, eager to prove himself, began pulling at the rope. At first, it seemed easy. But with each tug, the knot tightened further. Arjun grew frustrated. The harder he pulled, the more the knot resisted. Sweat trickled down his face as he worked on the stubborn knot, but it only became tighter. Hours passed, and Arjun felt defeated. The knot, once seemingly simple, now looked impossible to unravel. Watching Arjun's struggle, Dhanan gently stepped in. With slow and deliberate movements, he began loosening the knot. His approach was calm, precise, and patient. Within moments, the knot unraveled, and the rope was free. Arjun watched in amazement, wondering how something that had seemed so difficult could be undone so effortlessly. Dhanan explained that the knot was not just a physical tangle of rope, it was a powerful symbol for life's deeper struggles. Each twist and loop represented the attachments, desires, and fears that quietly bind the human mind. These knots don't appear all at once, they are formed gradually, woven from our own ignorance and illusion. In the wisdom of the Upanishads, this ignorance is called avidya, the inability to see reality as it truly is. It blinds us, leading us to mistake the temporary for the eternal and the illusory for the real. Over time, our desires for what we lack and our fears of what we might lose create a web of mental knots, restricting our freedom and weighing us down. But these knots, he emphasized, are not permanent. They are self-created, which means they can also be undone. However, many people make the mistake of battling these knots with force, anger, or impatience. They pull harder when faced with challenges, hoping to break free. Yet, like the rope, the more aggressively you tug, the tighter the knots become. Frustration and struggle only strengthen their hold. The key, Dhanan said, lies in a different approach. When you observe the knots with calmness and understanding, you begin to see their structure. Awareness allows you to trace the loops, to find the points where they can be gently loosened. Patience becomes your greatest tool. Slowly, as you work with care and clarity, the knots start to unravel. This process mirrors the path to inner liberation taught in the Upanishads, which emphasizes that freedom from the illusions of the mind is not achieved through force but through quiet, persistent self-awareness and effort. This was a profound realization for Arjun. He had spent much of his life pulling at the knots within his mind, driven by frustration and fear. He had tried to force solutions to his problems, only to find himself more entangled. Dhanan's lesson revealed a path to freedom, not through force, but through awareness and patience. In the days that followed, Arjun began to apply this wisdom in his life. He observed his emotions, thoughts, and reactions without judgment. When anger arose, he paused and allowed it to subside. When fear gripped him, he acknowledged it without resistance. Slowly, he began to untie the knots within himself. His mind grew lighter, and his heart became freer. Arjun found a peace he had never known before. This teaching reflects the essence of the Upanishadic wisdom found in the Mundaka Upanishad, which speaks of avidya, ignorance, as the root of bondage, and vidya, knowledge, as the path to liberation. It reminds us that the journey to freedom is an inner one, requiring calm and clarity to release ourselves from the illusions that bind us. A simple knot taught Arjun the profound wisdom of life, that freedom lies not in cutting away our struggles, but in patiently untying them with awareness and understanding. Just like the Upanishads remind us, ignorance binds us, but knowledge sets us free. So, the next time you face a knot in your life, whether it's fear, anger, or doubt, just pause and observe it. Work through it with patience and love. If this story inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone who might need this wisdom, and subscribe for more stories rooted in ancient teachings. Let's untie the knots of life together, one by one. See you in the next video.